This video shows how to replace the color imaging kit for the Xerox C320 Color Printer. The color imaging kit is accessible from the right side of the printer. To replace the imaging kit, open door A and door B. To remove the right side cover, release the latches and pull the cover off the printer. Press both levers to unlock the waste toner bottle and pull it out of the printer. To release the toner cartridge, pull the lever up to release it, then pull the cartridge up and take out of the printer. Remove all 4 toner cartridges from the printer. To unlock the imaging kit, rotate and pull the levers up on both the sides. Pull the imaging kit out until it stops. Press the release latch and pull the imaging kit out of the printer using the 2 handles. Remove the new color imaging kit from the box. Press and unlock the latches, then remove the packaging material from the imaging kit. The imaging kit includes 4 color imaging units and the frame with the drums. Be careful to protect the drums from fingerprints and light. Hold the handles of the imaging kit and insert it back into the printer. Push the levers down to lock the imaging kit frame. Insert each toner cartridge back into the printer, then push it down until it clicks into place. Insert the waste toner bottle back into the printer until it clicks. Insert the right side cover and push it towards the printer until it clicks. Close doors A and B.